The violent shaking caused by earthquakes alters the physical terrain, affecting plants and animals. Soil liquefaction can occur during earthquakes, causing the ground to lose stability and impacting plant root systems. Natural habitats, such as forests and wetlands, can suffer significant damage, affecting biodiversity. Seismic waves can cause changes in water bodies, impacting aquatic ecosystems and marine life. Earthquakes can disorient and displace wildlife, leading to challenges in their survival and migration patterns. Despite the destruction, ecosystems exhibit resilience and can recover over time with proper conservation efforts. Human intervention, such as urban development and infrastructure, can exacerbate the impact on ecosystems. Restoration projects play a crucial role in rebuilding and preserving natural habitats after earthquakes. Understanding earthquake risks can lead to better preparedness and protection of ecosystems.